The map shows us the annual sunshine hours for France. According to the map, more than 2,750 hours, represented by dark red, is located in the southeastern part of France. After that, 2,250 to 2,750 hours, represented by orange, is in the southern part of France. Noticeably, 1,750 to 2,000 hours, yellow, occurs in the middle and the majority areas of France. However, less than 1,750 hours can only be found in the northern part of France. To sum up, the map tells about sunshine hours. The following graph gives information about Australian population density. Data of different areas are displayed on the map. According to this graph, Melbourne and Sydney are the most populated city in Australia. In comparison, the smallest population is in the middle of Australia. You can see from this graph that Queensland will become the third largest populated city in Australia. To sum up, this graph tells about Australian population density. The picture gives information about different arm bones. As we can see from the picture, the human has the largest upper arm bone. Following that, birds and bats have the longest lower arm bone, and they are almost the similar length. After that, the bats have the longest metacarpals, however, the seal limb has the longest fingers. To sum up, different body structures has different kinds of bones. This picture gives information about climate zones for temperature and humidity. According to the picture, the yellow largest area has hot, dry summer and cold winter, which is in the middle of Australia. However, the blue smallest area enjoys cool temperature. It is in the southeast of Australia. Other areas' conditions include hot humid, warm humid, temperature, and so on. To sum up, different areas in Australia have different climates. The following graph gives information about the proportion of the Eat Well plate. The items include fruit and vegetables, bread and rice, food and drinks, and so on. The proportion of fruits and vegetables is around 35%, and that of milk and dairy food is lower, which is around 18%. You can see from this graph that the highest percentage is fruit and vegetables, around 35%. Also, the lowest value is food and drinks high in fat sugar, and it is around 8%. To sum up, fruits and vegetables are the most important contents of the Eat Well plate.